Leather harness for a lifetime of heavy obligation use. Stunning completed leather-based and stitching showcase your finest pal in fashion. There are numerous items accessible to dog harnesses, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best dog harnesses from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. EzyDog Quick Fit Custom Fit Adjustable Dog Harness. Our premium waterproof neoprene chest sleeve covers the adjustable chest strap for a sturdy and cozy match in your canine. Match issues. If you're near the tip of a dimension, select the bigger of two sizes, girth in inches, XXS 12-15, XS 15-18, SM 18-21.5, MD 21.5-26.5, LG 26.5-33, XL 33-42. Our patent-pending EzyDog one-click on match system lets you realize when you have the correct match without all of the frustrations that becoming different harnesses may cause. As simple to make use of as a collar, with all the advantages of a harness. We have included high visibility reflective stitching all through our award-winning design to extend nighttime visibility and security for each you and your canine. Our heavy-duty EzyDog fast clip buckles offer you quick and straightforward on and off for hassle-free enjoyable. Number 2. Carhartt Nylon Duck Training Dog Harness. Rugged on-leash coaching harness is constructed with 2 attachment factors, one on the again for day-to-day walks, and one on the chest for elevated management that helps your employed in opposition to pulling. Carhartt Nylon Duck Coaching Canine Harness. Absolutely adjustable canine harness that gives consolation and management. Small, medium, massive. Additional massive C sizing chart in pictures. Small and medium dimension vests have fastened middle straps. Massive and X massive have adjustable middle straps. Constructed with comfortable cushioning, our sturdy duck cloth, and reflective stitching for security in low light conditions. Heavy obligation plastic facet launch buckle. Number 3. Campbell No Pull Dog Harness. 4 sizes appropriate for small, medium to massive canine breeds. Select the correct dimension based mostly in your canine's neck girth and chest girth by measuring round his, her neck and the widest a part of his, her chest earlier than buying. Please select the bigger dimension if the measurement fall between 2 sizes. Our canine harness is simple to put on and modify. Fast snap buckles ensures ease of use when placing on and taking off. 4 adjustment factors on the chest and neck permit a customized match on your canine. Good for everyday strolling, operating, jogging, climbing, coaching, and so forth. Our canine harness use prime quality microfiber leather-based and excessive density nylon Oxford materials which prevents biting, harm, or scratches. Additionally, sturdy cloth and leather-based deal with on the again helps you hire management and help your canine. Fast lock buckles guarantee your canine's security whereas strolling, climbing, or operating. Reflective strips will present an extra safeguard throughout nighttime actions. Comfortable breathable air mesh and heavy padding makes your canine snug. Your fur child will benefit from the everyday stroll with this harness. Number 4. CollarDirect Rolled Leather Dog Harness. Small canine harness is on the market in number of colors: black, blue, pink, orange, lime inexperienced, brown, pink, yellow, purple, navy, mint inexperienced, beige, and white. Real leather-based canine harness comes with an identical rolled leather-based canine lead 4 feet. Leather-based canine harness small could match a canine with 15 inches, 25 inches chest girth. Please measure your canine's chest girth behind the entrance legs to decide on right dimension. Our rolled leather-based canine harness doesn't tangle or harm your canine's fur. Step-in canine harness is simple to make use of. Meant for additional small and small canines, puppies, toy, and miniature canine breeds. Number 5. Ishalko Leather Dog Harness. The leather-based leash is manufactured from premium-grade 100% real leather-based, not like different nylon canine leashes. The leather-based is beautiful, the grain is obvious and visual, agency and exquisite, oily and plump. Please measure your canine's neck and chest circumference earlier than buying. If in case you have any questions in regards to the dimension after buy, please contact us and we'll remedy it. Neck girth 17 to 23 inches, chest girth 20 to 32 inches. Pulling stress is distributed to the entire physique to stop pulling when strolling your canine due to the particular design. It's snug on your canine and security for yourself. Take pleasure in time together with your pets. Can't stand advanced operation when carrying your canine a harness? Simply do this leather-based harness. Easy design and fast snap buckles makes it simple to place on and take off. It spends much less time to take your canine to the outside. The straps on harness are adjustable so that you can suit your canine's dimension. Sturdy and robust and won't damage your pet. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.